Hi mountain hunters. Today we're going to be doing a hike. And it's windy. 34 degrees outside. Yeah.
More experience.
Alrighty guys,
okay.
This trail that we're hiking on is the Wetzel County 4-H trail.
Okay.
Yeah. The wind's blowing about 90 miles an hour. And yeah, there's something cool at the end of this one. I will show you whenever we get up here, so yeah. I haven't hiked up this one yet.
Yeah, you get up this one for hill.
You think?
Keep your other one in your pocket.
That's what we'll do. The hand on the stick gets the plug. Hand in our pocket gets the finger plug.
We don't have to do this.
I don't really know how long this trail is. I think I see the beginning of it, so get up here to it. Alright. Just not turning it on. I turned it on down there. I'll keep walking. I'll stop next sharp turn. Whew, my ears are getting a little cold. Like I was telling you guys, it's a little special thing up here at the top. It's cool. There's a few all over the place. Burning up, evil in the morning, coming, hang me up, line me up, stop right up here at that next tree at the mark, waiting for him. Washout, there's a creek. Don't talk about that.
What?
Then.
What? It says most difficult and it says most difficult.
Right there. We have 76 miles that way.
Black Bear.
Alright, we're going 76 miles. 76.76. 76 miles to the top. I could run to the top.
No, Jim, you had your drinking bottle you could have brought.
I was thinking of bringing mine, but I decided not to.
We're almost there.
I put my hoodie on. I have put my hood on, and then I get too hot, and I take it off, then my ears get cold.
That's me, look.
Yeah, everything from my head to my waist is, or from my neck to my waist is warm. Beep. Jensen.
Anybody want a piece of gum?
I'll take a piece of gum. Gents, do you know my whole video audios now is going to be stick your booty out, stick your booty out. Spring. Slippery. Slippery.
Huh?
Slippery. Huh?
Go back up through there. I could be wrong.
Yeah? What, the swing? Yeah, I think that's what it does. It just goes around. There's a picnic table right there. Goes around the water.
Cuts back around and goes
I don't know. Ooh. I think there's a label to this. Yeah, this is mountain. This is mountain trail. Or something, no. This is Monarch Trail. Ready, we're almost there. Almost there. We're almost there. Nice. Pretty view up on the top of this one. Alright guys, you've already heard the word swing about 5 times already.
What way do we go?
Just right on here. But there's an almost heaven swing up here. There's a few of these around the state. And this is one of them. Has this big view. Real pretty. Hold on, lean up your hiking sticks right here. Put it on one of these.
How much swing together?
Hold on, wipe it off.
It's fine, it's not wiped up all the way.
Oh. That little hand.
Hold my hand. I'm scared.
And push back.
I'm scared I need to fly. If I do, I'll just land and fall.
You guys are swinging in now.
We are? Oh, okay.
How do you swing
Get a
it?
picture with almost 7. Tell you what, keep looking that way.
Right, guys. We took a few pictures up there, swung a little bit. Right up there. I want to show home swing. Now, it's cold up here because the wind's blowing crazy. I'm going to make it to the bottom. Taking this trail, just getting to the bottom of this thing. There's something flying around down there. I don't know what it is. There's a bird. It's a plate. It looks like it's blowing in the wind. Yeah, send for your plate. There's,
I was going to say first trail went down this way, but
there is.
the trail goes right out around here.
I think it just does a
I
circle.
was going to look at this trail map. See if there's anything, doesn't look like anything goes off that side of it. Right here.
We're right here.
So we need to go down here and catch. We're here
Yeah.
and come down through and catch the black bear trail and go off the mountain. So we didn't miss anything by shortchanging that going this trail.
I kind of just want to skip all of this.
The only way you can skip it, Jensen's the. You don't want to do that.
Snowing again.
Huh?
Snowing again. So we're going around. Alright. Alright.
We'll cross it again right down here. Just so you know.
I know. Belly out, belly out, belly out.
Almost done.
Smells skunky. Smells skunky. Alright. Hi. Hi, Dad. Hi, Jensen. Smells like a skunk. I thought I smelled a skunk. Hi, Mom. Right, guys. There you have it. That was the hike up to that was the Wetzel County 4-H trail. And yeah, if you like that, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time at Mountain Hunter Outdoors. Peace.